Well, hi friends, I'm Erica Nays, and I thought I would do a really quick video for you over how to engage your registration worksheet in WebSTAC because it'll make registration a lot faster and a lot easier for you come November 5th. Since it's early in the morning, 7:30 a.m., you don't want to be groggy and spill your tea or your coffee all over your computer. So if you use the worksheet, it can actually be a lot simpler. So what you'll do is you'll go to your WebSTAC, which would just be webstac.woostel.edu. Okay. Once you get there, you'll log in with your Woostel key, and obviously I don't have mine automatically set up yet. That's all right. We're working on it. Logs in, there's my happy face, and then you click on course registration and go down to registration worksheet to see your worksheet. But you would go to course listings to add to your worksheet. So for those of you who are getting in here, obviously you're registering, you'll go to business, spring 2020. Let's see, you'll want to go to search. Here we go. So go to search, spring 2020, you'll want to go to the business department, or the business school, sorry. If you know exactly what department the class is coming out of, then you can select that. So let's say, for instance, management is what we want to look for. Make sure that you have the 500 plus clicked, because then you'll be in undergrad classes and you don't want that. So then just hit search generally, unless you know you want to narrow it more. And then you can go down here and find the class that you want. Oh, I want to do ethical issues and managerial decision making. Okay. So once you hover over it like this, you'll see add RWS first or add RWS second. The first means that you want to add it to your first registration worksheet, which is probably the worksheet that I would say you make, that this is the best case scenario, this is my A plan. And add to your worksheet, all you got to do is click it, and it's over here, this little red pops up saying, hey, this class is on your first worksheet. But then it's wise, as you're looking at electives, especially ones that other programs will be using, it's wise to always consider creating a secondary worksheet that would be, hey, these are the classes I want to do in the event that a class is full, or it turns out that my time availability is not available and I need to go utilize that class. Or I just need to think about it some more. And then you can go say, well, I'd like to add, let's see, oh, maybe international business. And actually, I've already added this to my first registration worksheet. But let's say you want to add, let's go find a good one here. Here's a Saturday one, Introduction to Management and Strategy. Now, we're going to use this as an example, but just so you know, you would not add this class because it's a core class. These ones get added automatically, and all of you should have already done this class. But if you wanted to add it to your second, you would click it like that, and it would go to your second. So then you would just scroll up here to the top, registration worksheet, click on that, and there's your worksheet. So here's your first choices. Here's your second choices. And once registration opens on November 5th at 7:30 a.m., there should be an option for you to hover over this and then just click add courses, and your courses will be added to your registration or your schedule. So I just wanted to give you a brief overview so you can know that that's there. It's important to always check to make sure whatever computer you're going to use for registration is actually connected to the internet well and will utilize the website well. Sometimes browsers don't sync up well with what you're trying to do, so make sure that works before registration so you're not ending up unable to register at the 7:30 mark. So anyway, there's that registration worksheets. Use them. They're going to be helpful to you, and if you have questions, feel free to let me know.